Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate you can update Pinterest app. So if you are using an iOS based device, you can update the Pinterest app through opening the App Store. Then simply find the apps page for Pinterest, which you can do by entering the app name at the search bar and opening the respective app name. As you can see in my case, there is this little update button, which means that I actually do have a new instance of the app that I can download and enroll. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Simply tap at the one button tap, keeps you away from automatically updating your app. And after that, simply wait for it to download and install the new features that came with the new update. When if you are an Android user, the procedure is pretty much identical, but instead of App Store, open up the Play Store application on your device, find the Pinterest app page by entering its name into the search bar, and in here, if there is any new version of the app, you'll be able to download it, and you'll have to the update button the same way, in kinda same way we had at the iPhone or iOS device. Let me just quickly show you how this button looks on some other app that is actually can be updated. As you can see, that's what you'll see over here, or you'll probably even see the two buttons, uninstall and update, or open and update, So that's how it looks like on an Android phone. Alrighty, so that would be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.